Hello guys, this is Sci-Fi Junk yet again on this lovely, wonderful Monday afternoon. And today I was doing some quick checking. That's the reason why it's not like it normally is. But this happens to be, as you guys very well know, from just months ago. I was working on a lovely, wonderful website that basically told the people that I work for or did work for that I didn't pretty much. I pretty much knew nothing and everything else. But as you will see, their website's not coming up. Oh, strike that. I take that back. Their website is coming up, but as you will see, it's not completely loaded. Now, let's go to YouTube and show you what an actual website is supposed to do when you first go to the website. Punch in the URL versus what their website's doing. Now, you see a slight problem? Now, they've always had this problem. They've always had this problem when they started, even before they started telling me that I didn't know anything. Now, so we are going to, let's see if we can go to another web page or another link on their stuff, because it's not coded right to begin with anyway, so that's probably part of the problem of their website, to be honest. Yeah, so as we wait for this, we're going to go ahead and open up let's see, where is it? Desktop. And we're going to go to this lovely, wonderful, there it is. We're going to open up this one. And we are going to switch the view because I don't exactly remember which one we are on. So, yeah, so then go by date. So as you will see, oh, hey, we actually have a lovely, wonderful sponsor. By the way, always go ahead and check out the sponsors if you're on like Twitch or whatever. Anyway, as you will see, we've only worked on 4 of these websites, or 4 of these pages. Then you got all these lovely, wonderful pages, the PHP stuff, which, yeah, it just kind of looks like they're pretty much doing kind of weird stuff, which I have no clue, so we're going to leave those alone. Which means the next page, based on this, because mind you, like I said, I have no clue why they even have the 2020 because I never really worked on them. Unless they're brand spanking new things that they tried to work on. As you will see, these are the ones I've done because they are at the top. Now, as you will see on top of from the wonderful web page, just connection timeout. Yes. So as you will see, now let's do a lovely, wonderful Google search for this lovely company because you could actually do a Google search for the company. It's not going to have a problem. Let's go with separating that out. And see, I mean, it's an actual company. According to this, they're supposed to be closed. They close at, wait, what, really? 8 to 5. So they close at 5 today. Or unless they changed it because of Memorial Day. So, hey, whatever. So they're normally open from 8 to 5 and all this other stuff. Dude, this stuff you can actually Google yourself. Find out. It's an actual company. It's actually let's go ahead and go back and click on that lovely wonderful link that we just tried here, but is not working. So anyway, they're supposed to have a lovely wonderful Facebook page, which seems to work better than their website. And as you will see, it says it hadn't even had a post in since 2012. Yeah. And it gives their address and it's all this other stuff and Yeah. Now, the guy that told me that I basically didn't even know anything was the son of the owner of this company. Supposed to be the IT guy. Anyway, as you can see, it's just not working. So we're going to go ahead and have to guesstimate on the day on what they're trying to do because their website isn't working worth crap. Anyway, so let's go ahead and work on the links page, and as you'll find out real quick if you have it. I know it's been a while, but they might have accidentally. No, they didn't even close it right. Did you see how these have that, but they don't have a closing tag? Yeah, therein lies the problem. Now, you seem to have opening, closing tags. Open, closing, table. They got two tables. Now, you know what? Let's go ahead and go back to my lovely old friend that I like to go ahead and come up with. And, Mr. Validator. Let's see, where is it? Where's my validator at? Validators, there we go. Let's see what Mr. Validator has to just in store for us today. Let's see. Desktop. And then let's go. And that was what were we looking for? Info. Yeah, we don't need that one. Let's see. So, info. Little trick that we could do. In and let's see. Wait, are we in the right one? Oh, no. I'm pushing the wrong ones. I feel so special. Links. No. Oh, yeah. There we go. So we're going to go ahead and see what Mr. Validator has to say in store today. And the usual stuff. Line 1, line 1, column 1, line 1, column 6. So we're going to have to borrow stuff from the other ones to get it to where it'll validate. And then all these lovely, wonderful CSS things that they decided to go away with. And then try to figure out what they were trying to do here. Now, mind you, in the contact, I believe it's the contact page, they claim, and I'll bring it up again, of these employees, 5 have degrees in accounting, others have, the other employees have degrees in business, mathematics, and computer science. Again. Alright, so, let's see. First, we're going to have to go ahead and go through the other one, and I have to open up this so we can at least copy. Wait. What? Hang on a minute. Index. Did I forget to do a couple things? Oh no, I left it out. That's okay, that's what I did. I see now. That's fine. Normally I don't do that, but then again, I'm just trying to fix code because they just don't know how to do it. So that is right. So we need to go ahead and put this in there. One of the very few things I got taught in some of my IT classes is to not try not to reinvent the wheel because there's really no point in it. Let's go ahead and do that. That should fix some of these problems. Again, options. No, 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 no. And then we are going for links. No, 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 no. LI links. And show that, show that, show that. Because what it looks like they were trying to do is HTML5. Okay, so that cleared up some of those, and then they're using Windows. Windows. I mean, yes, there's a thing called Windows that has their own little character sets that everybody likes to freaking decide to use. Oh, crap. I didn't want to do that. That's alright. We'll go and bring it back up. Services. No, 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 no. Dang it. Okay, so. Now, let's see. It's the media. Go ahead and copy all this. Because they don't even have it here. These letters. There. Paste. And then style sheet, which I have no clue what they were doing about style sheets. It just makes no sense. They had it right to a point. It's kind of weird. Yeah, this part here I didn't change because that's what they did. It didn't come up with an error or anything, so I'm going to leave it alone. Now, actually, let's see what links even looks like, to be honest, before we start doing any more changes. Oh yeah, I remember now. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if that solves that error. And it should. It does. Okay, background attribute and body element is obsolete. Use CSS instead. So, yeah. Now, mind you, they actually have CSS stuff in there. They have two, but they're the same thing, and they're not using them. That makes you wonder, huh? So we're gonna have to first do open and close tags for style. Gonna the title. I'm gonna stick down under title. Probably not where it needs to be. It's been like forever since I've actually done something like program do any HTML in a while. Which brings up a thing I need to do, which is updating my page. Okay, so they want this right here, background, body. So let's go ahead and do body, copy, paste. Get rid of all this for now because I'm sure there's probably going to be some other code relating to the body of it later. And we're going to plop this in right here. Cut that. Paste it here. Paste. Get rid of the double quotes there. And to be honest, I don't know if I'll be doing my usual 3 or 4 hours. on this because it's coding, and not everybody likes to watch coding. So we're going to go ahead and see if that does anything. And it does. Imagine that. And then center. Center. What line is that on? Scroll down to see which line it's on. Center. What were they trying to center though? That's the problem. Were they trying? Literally, were you trying to center the links and they didn't center? Imagine that. Center links. Okay, it looks like they are trying to center the header, and you really don't do it that way. So let's see what else they're trying to center. And then they're trying to center these. Yeah, I really don't think I'll be doing more than a couple hours. So I might go ahead and cut this stream short, because working on stuff like this by people that claim to be having programmers and all this other stuff, and then you see what their code is, it kind of makes you wonder what kind of okay. Anyway, that was header 2. So we need to go ahead and copy this, but instead of making it header 1, we'll make it header 2. Paste, and then we'll make it text align center. Copy. We're not gonna make it green. We're just gonna leave it like it is. Paste. Let's see. I think the services was also actually also has the table on there, so I'm gonna have to use some of it to make the table work too. Okay, so again, we're gonna make this H2. And get rid of this because it's not needed. Go ahead and save it, and then we're going to go ahead and yeah, Are you kidding me right now? Yeah, let's go ahead and undo. And undo. And let's go ahead and save that. No. Come on, no. And all right, we'll get it going. I kind of see what they're trying to do, but that's not how to do it. So H2 is centered like they want, but they want the table centered too. Table class nav 1 with center, or what's text line center. Table center. where have I got the table center at? Center. Table center. Okay. So, what they're trying to do is, what is it? Services. Let's go to services, and then I'll show you what they're trying to do. See how this is all kind of centered like they want it? All the tax, all the stuff there. Yeah, that's what they're after. And nav one, class nav, nav one, where they also wanted the stuff to be centered. And then class 2, nav 2, where they didn't care if it was centered or not. Let's just see. They wanted where is it? Or they wanted this to be a certain height, and then they wanted it to be centered, and then they wanted the other stuff, which now the only difference between this and what they got is the border lines, which they could fix themselves if they decide to actually do their thing and actually program, code and stuff like that. So, if we do refresh this, actually wait, did I even save it? No, I did save it. What's the deal here? Wait, what? Oh, wrong one. Save that, because if we save it now, and then it's gonna be cockeyed like that. And they're wanting the blur to see that this border to borders are right in these. So I can understand the width. I can understand the width because that just shows how why they want it. Not sure if it's in pixels or not, but now let's actually see if they're even going to show up again. Anyway, and if I'm not mistaken, these are two separate tables. As you will see, there's two separate tables here in links. And mind you, I've had to do a lot of this by trying to figure out what they're wanting. Because their website's not up all the time. So we're going to go ahead and see. We're going to do the whole copy. Yeah, I think we're going to go ahead and copy all this. And put it in here. And because this is going to be nav 1, it's going to be nav 2, which means they want nav 1, Texas height 20%, or select it with 20%. Height 32 pixels. Let's see, that should work. Text line center. It's just freaking aggravating, really. And then did it say anything about bold? It doesn't say anything about bold, which is a good thing. Let's go to links. Let's see if links will even come up. We will. This is with 900. I don't even know if you can even do with like that. So we're going to go with background. They want background. They want 2 different background colors. Wait, maybe I should look into the index one. Index. How do I do the index? Because I might have to do it that way. Table with 900 pixels. Let's see, because it should be. Yeah, I think that's what they're in for pixels. And there he goes again. So surprising. So what was the nav? Was the nav the pictures table and image table? Okay, so the nav part was the settings, or the I just made the table just straight up center. Table header. Table dot center. Let's see, where was that at? Yeah, see, this is where it says the center, the table. Free accounting services. Okay, so about us, services. That was already centered. Why was it already centered? Nav 1. Oh, it was already centered because it was. Let's see. Nav. Where's the nav? FTR, table nav. Oh, that is kind of weird. Table. Wait, how was that centered? Center, table center. Table header. Oh, because I used header and then it centered the table. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a quick restroom break, and I will be right back. And yeah, so I'll be back. Alright, guys, I am back. And we are back at trying to figure out how I did something. So we did a header, text line center, which actually centered, more or less centered the freaking table. Which then actually, I think it was more along the lines of this one centered it. Table layout auto, margin left, right, auto, which, yeah, because this is a header, GB header, class header. It's just kind of text line center, table. Oh, strike that. No, it's this one that centered it. Yeah, I see now. I just sees it now, what I also did. I used that to center it, then I had to actually use another center to center the table inside the table. Because they like to use a crap ton of freaking tables and stuff. So what we're going to have to do is pretty much the same thing. Yeah, that's what we're going to have to do. And then, so let's go ahead and get rid of all these. Let's go ahead and get rid of all that. And then we're going to go ahead and do this table, because let's see, because there's only there's two tables. But yeah, we'll go ahead and just do it this way. And see what it looks like. So the good thing about, working with code is you get to see how stuff works. Okay, now okay, so that kind of worked. So we're going to fit like table 1 and table 2. Table dot 1. But then we're going to put this as class. Oh, wait. But we still need to go ahead and put the color, background color in there. No, actually, table nav. Because we could just do nav 1 and nav 2 again. No, strike that. They're separate. Okay, never mind. We can't do that. Yeah, we'll have to split them up into like table 1 and table 2. Table 1. But we're still going to have to use the background color though. Paste. Leave the border alone. Because if I'm not mistaken, this is probably complaining about. Yeah, see, it's complaining about height there. Width and then height. And then again, width. And then missing the, is it really missing the TDs? It's not missing the TDs. Huh. Wait, what's it missing? 22. Font, name, font. Oh, the ID. And then font. Width, TD, the end tag, same, but not any open elements. Oh. Huh. Yeah, they royally screwed up on this one. Alright, so if we go ahead and do 90 pixels here, I think that's what they're trying to do, pixels. And then 540 there, it should work. Auto. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. TR height. Let's see what that does. It should bring us close to what they're wanting. Oh, crap. Wait. Oh, did I forget? I forgot. Oh, okay, yeah. I see now. I see now. I screwed up again. TR, and it's table class. There it is. Okay. So let's go ahead and copy it. No. Copy all this except for, we're not going to use all that. Paste. And then we're going to go with table. That's class equals Silentis equals 1. No, not plus 1. That's class equals 1. Okay, yeah. And wait, what? Oh. Okay. What am I screwing up now? No. Oh, shit. Damn it, guys. Okay, yeah. damn it. Well, shit. Oh well. Yeah, oh well. Alright, guys. I'm gonna have to go ahead and take another bathroom break. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. No, not a game. There we go. So, crap. Dagnabbit. Damn me, guys. Although I've kind of fixed a couple of problems there, but that's okay. So, let's go back to that one there. Alright, so. Yeah, that's my mistake. I set passwords and stuff that I shouldn't have. I locked a couple of things down a little bit tighter than I normally do, so. Alright, so we have another problem. Oh, it's the width. Wait, did we have to... Hang on, how did I do that? So, the TD header table. So the table was centered. Yeah, that's kind of weird how that's not centered. Okay, we are at class. Margin left, margin right. Let's go ahead and rename it center. Paste. Paste. And we're going to save that. And, oh, there he goes. That'll work. And that is 900. Actually, let's rename that to center one. Or table. That's center one. Yeah, that'll work. Let me go ahead and hit save there. And then it should go ahead and still... Why is it? Oh, duh. You're right if I pay attention, huh? Oh, well. Try that again. Alright, so that's centered. So now we need to go ahead and do the same thing again. See, I still need to figure out what the whole width thing is again. It's been forever. 20%, yeah. Okay, so we need to go ahead and do the same thing, but for this, we're going to go ahead and copy this. Let's try this again. Copy. No. There we go. No. Paste. Now, instead of this being 900, like it wanted, we're going to have to do, yeah, I'm going to guess these are pixel stuff here. So we're going to go ahead and put this there. I'm going to put that, paste that there. And then it wants it in this color instead of that color, so we need to do that. Copy. Paste, which I'm not even sure is really a color or not. Then we need to go ahead and copy this. Copy. Paste. Make this 2 instead of 1, otherwise it'll get confused. And then hit that. And it should just... Wait. See, these are 2 different tables, so why are they getting combined now? That makes no sense. Wait. So yeah, that's closed. And then that's closed. Oh. Wait, what else is tables? Yeah, it's just them two tables. Hmm. And then there's that centered thing, which needs to go. And then font. Where there was a closed. Sometimes. Oh, well, duh. 2. There we go. That's where the problem was. And it should. Voila! And to be honest, in my opinion, it kind of looks better without the freaking border, but hey, they want the border, so, well, I'll just let them fix that on their own. If they so graciously decide to look at my work, which I seriously doubt. In fact, they're probably making fun of me right now. And I personally don't care, because I am fixing their crap they should have fixed. Height. Height is not allowed in TR element at this point. You see this? If they're, I doubt they're watching my streams. And then width. And center is obsolete. Name. A name hub. A name. What? A name equals other. Yeah, and it gets a little bit complaining when you don't structure it like it says it needs to be anyway, on top of that. It did a lot of complaining about my coding too, when I don't have like headers and stuff where it thinks I should have them. No. See, it's already complaining about height. Oh. Height, TR height. Let's see, how did I fix the TR height? TR. TR. Wait, how about height? Where's height at? Line height. That's probably what it's talking about, line height. So, so let's go with trnav. See if we can find. No, strike that. Let's go with nav. Because there's PD height or width 20%. Table nav, TR nav, because that's a TR thing, right? Dang it. TR height 32. So, and we already established that should be TR line height. Okay, so let's go with TR. Height. So where all is that at? And it's literally just in one. So let's just go ahead and I guess we could just go ahead and make it by itself. A TR height. Yeah, let's do it that way. And go with TR height. Copy. Paste. Width, and it just says height 32. So no, wait. I copied the wrong one. Oh well. I'll get it right eventually. Yeah, you're never you're never not going to make mistakes. That's what people need to understand, is you're never not going to make mistakes, because you're always going to make mistakes. Just depends on how you're going to fix the mistakes, is how you're going to react to the world. And then we're going to name this height. Copy. Paste. And then we're going to go ahead and name this TR. This equals. Wait. CIASS class equals height. And that should cure that problem. Yeah, I'm seriously just after working on this page, just cutting it loose and get it over with. Let's see. No, not that one. Let's see, will that even load? I seriously doubt it. And then go ahead, and that did kind of raise the height up a little bit. You could barely see it, but that's what it did. So we're going to go ahead and see if that clears that problem. And check. Yeah, it did. Okay, so width. Now, width. It's a TD problem. So we're going to do, and it's the only one that has the height on there, which makes no freaking sense whatsoever. But in this no space block, yeah, you guys really don't need that. Sorry, bud. I don't know what you guys were thinking about that either. So we're gonna go with what was it? TD. Strike that. It was width. With where is it? Because I know I used it in the first part of this on the index page. TD width. Okay, so that's what. Oh crap! You know what? I really need to run this through the freaking cleanup tool that I use. Copy that, and since it's so you got 20%, and then you have it at 180, which I'm guessing is 180 pixels. Jeez, people say I didn't know how to do this crap. Just say they told me they made comments about me not knowing how to do this crap in here, and they, as you will see, can't even code it to even make it. Okay, so we're gonna go with we're gonna make this with one. Copy, paste with one. Line. So it says line height though. Width, there it is. Wait, width, make sure, because there's 20%. Wait, where did I get that one that has height on it, though? Line height. Oh, TRNF, TRNF. Well, geez, I didn't even realize I did that. Huh. Let's go ahead and fix that real quick, like. Cut. Paste. That's it's both TR and nav, and they're both there. Yeah, I really screwed up there. And this is kind of keyed a little weird too, so I think I might have screwed up a little bit. But anyway, it should be good to go. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes that happens. Oh, zero packet, zero sized relay. Oh, imagine that. It gets funner and funner every time I hit refresh on that thing. Okay, so so we need width 20%. Not height. Paste. Let's go ahead and make sure that's where it needs to be. Okay. Alright, so we can go ahead and do TD class copy paste. No, there we go. Now paste. No. Paste. Paste. And paste. Because there's two different TDs, that's the reason we had to do it differently. Then instead of height, we need width 1. And that should cure that problem. And then we go ahead and hit save, and then we're going to go ahead and hit refresh here. And see how that 20% kind of did something weird? Oh, it's because I didn't spell width first. Crap. Imagine that. Really? I misspelled it like there's no tomorrow. Let's see, let's go ahead and switch that back. Undo. Let's see. There we go. Well, they had it misspelled wrong too. If it's wrong, it's kind of weird. Here, let's go ahead and save it this way. And then yeah, Control Z. And then save. Yeah, it just kind of did its own thing. with 20%. Huh. This equals 1. Oh, no. Okay. And copy, and then paste. See what happens when you code stuff right, and then it kind of makes stuff kind of weird? Usually means there's a problem with the code somewhere. Let me hit save, and then watch, it'll just move it all over. Because that's the way it is. So, and then on top of that, they want it centered. You know what? I'm just going to have to go ahead and copy. I'm just going to have to start name it nav1 and nav2 again. Except for not for the because it's a TD header. Yeah, where's those centers? Table. Hmm. And where's nav at? Yeah, it's kind of just weird. Because this is pretty much centered. That's pretty much centered. And then text align header. Yeah, because it inherited everything after that. Jeez. I'm just gonna have to name it nav, and then let's see, TD, because the width is there, but now they want it centered. Just name it TD1. And then name these 1. Boy, they really do not know how to program code anything. The worst thing is they code an app called CSS, or strike that, I think it's HHS, yeah. HHS that they actually expect all their customers to use, but yet they can't code with the crowd. And I thought I was bad at coding, because I actually am pretty bad at coding, but I don't think I'm this bad at coding. Now this should make it where it is all centered. Huh. Oh. Yeah. I was always taught that to do it the right way. Or at least try to anyway. And that's not centered, so... Maybe I just need to put it in here, text align centered, in a table. Oh, that's not even the right one I'm aiming for either. Hello. Cat. And put it in here. That's what we're aiming for. And there you go. Yeah. Except for it's not where. It's just really weird. Uh-huh. Maybe I need to change it from 900 to 850. Because they really didn't have it all that. No. Huh. Oh wait, no, that's centered in the cells. That's where it is. Okay, never mind. I need to bring that back up to. So that's another thing that they didn't account for when they coded this lovely, wonderful web page. And then so I need to do the same thing for the other. To add centered to that, so I'm going to get rid of centered in there. Because again, they can't code with crap. Wait, let's see if we can go ahead and bring their webpage up again. I seriously doubt it, but never can tell. Okay, so class submenu. Let's go ahead and bring that back up. There we go. There we go, to sunny day. And now they want. Let's go ahead and get rid of this because that's not where it needs to go. At least not in my opinion, anyway. Because it kind of centered it in all the cells, sort of. Let's see, and it's on class menu, which menu? Where's that at? Actually, let's see where. So they're going for that one, for this one. Let's see, where is it? As we will see, it's a mess in here. A menu, text background. Yeah, see, they even have it. They even have freaking width in here, and that's what's kind of conflicting with each other. Oh well. Now where their stuff's not like working right. So that should fix it back to where it is. Alright. Alrighty then. Now, 180. Let's go with making another one. Yeah, I'm just trying to fix this lovely, wonderful website's code and basically tell them that they need to learn how to code afterwards. Now they want. I'm gonna guess that's in pixels, so let's go with 180 px. See if that's anywhere close to what they're aiming for. Okay, yeah. See, they want it 20% on one part. Oh, strike that. That didn't even fix it yet. 20% on one part, and then 180 and something else. Huh. Come on now. There we go. CLASS equals. Let's go with 2. And then just copy that over. Copy. Paste. Paste. Oh, can't do that. Yeah, there we go. And then hit save, and then now we're gonna see if it worked. Yeah, but their CSS on that other page is kind of screwing it up. Yeah, why they went with two different they went from like percentage here and then pixels here, I have no freaking clue. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what other problems I could potentially fix. Oh, crap. Yeah, there we go. There we go. And then, wait, what? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. Wait, is it complaining? Because I actually have it. Let's see. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't like what I do things. So that is definitely a problem on my end. Sometimes I even screw up, man. Wait, I just skipped it. There it is. No. CSS parse. Okay. So. One. Uh-huh. Okay, so that might be. It's definitely on my end. Definitely on my end. Okay, that should fix it. Should be in the keyword. That's just kind of weird how it's. Wait. Why isn't it highlighted? That is super weird. CSS parse error. CSS parse error. Alright, let's go ahead and go to, let's run it through this thing right here and see if it comes up with anything. Clean. Actually, no. No, let's not do that. It's just really weird how it's doing that. Parse error. It's just not showing up in here anymore though. That's what's the problem. It's really weird. Yeah. Let's go and try that one more time. Actually, let's go with what is it? Index. Let's check that. Whoa. Now, that's kind of weird. They must have updated their tool. Because, not resolvable. Well, of course it's not resolvable. It's, that is really weird. They must have updated their tool. That's what's probably giving me the problems. So it says, no errors or warnings shown. Images with alternative text. Textual alternatives. Please review. Where is it? Avoid something. Please use Alt instead. Thought I did use Alt. Yeah, I got Alt. The image of are unavoidable. Note the iconic images are redundant, with text next to them are purely decorative. It should have Alt instead. Really? No. Yeah, they've completely changed it. Because when I first used this, it went and started going for, yeah, so no, it's complaining because there's actual text in Alt. And the reason why I actually have this right here with the Alt actually filled out is because when you have a blind person look at this web page and this is blank, it'll actually just say blank. And they won't know what the picture is or anything like that. So they've changed it to make it where this is, that they've deemed it where it's not necessary anymore. Yeah, so no, I'm not going to change it. Sorry. I'm going to leave it the way it is. which is probably the reason why it's going giving me a conniption fit about my CSS being parsed wrong. Now, if it was up to me, I would change this to be yeah, because it's not even showing up here anymore. Style. It shows up here, but there's no yellow there, which means there's a problem somewhere that it's not showing me. Let's see. I'm wondering if it's the naming of it. Or maybe, because it is going a little nuts. No. So maybe it wants me to do it this way. Which would feel. Maybe that's what it wants me to do. But to actually say that having text there is, no, there's something wrong there. If it was up to me, I would actually go ahead and recode this into XHTML1 and get it over with. So, but for it to actually say that there's a problem when there isn't, means that the tool still needs a little bit of work there, you know. So, and as usual, this says 0 size to reply. Yay! Let's go ahead and hit that again. So we're going to go ahead and ignore that error. We're going to go ahead and ignore it and move right along. Warning, the name is obsolete. Consider putting ID. Now, how did I fix that? Actually, I think this is the very first page that actually has anything on it like that. A name, yeah, a name, services. It didn't say anything. Let's see what it says to services, to be honest. Because it didn't say anything about services being a problem either. Wait, what? No. Validator, it's not giving me problems. Upload a file. Let's go with services. Search index. Services. See if it comes up with the same errors. Oh, nuts. Yeah, it has nothing wrong. See, it's kind of weird how it's showing up with services, because services doesn't have it used as a AI. It has a class menu. So it kind of makes me wonder if they meant to use a class instead of a name. Wait a minute. They don't even have... Are you kidding me? How did that even make it through freaking validation then? That says A class, that says A class. Where's the name thing? Oh, there it is. A name hub. A name. Wait, what? What? Um. Yeah, this is A name hub. A name. I understand the fonts. Yeah, that definitely should be done in CSS. But a name hub. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at this. Warning. Consider ID attribute in the on the nearest current container instead. I'm gonna say that I'm gonna have to I already thought about yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it short because I'm gonna have to look into what they're trying to do with using name instead of something else. And I'll try to figure out why this is showing up here. But yeah, and mind you, their website don't show up. Let's see, their About Us states they're supposed to have. Let's see, where is it? Currently 10 employees. Of those employees, 5 have degrees in accounting. Others the other employees have degrees in business, mathematics, and computer science. But yet, we are fixing or attempting to fix their website because they didn't code it with crap. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just call it a day there because I want to figure out what the heck they were trying to do. The only thing that I would ask you guys to do is to go to my Extra Life page and make a donation there. All the donations there go to the Children's Hospital Foundation here in Oklahoma. And so it helps kids with, whatever is needed to make them forget they're actually in a hospital and dealing with problems. And actually, Extra Life is actually part. If they're not a part of it, they actually have links to other donations or other donation places that help kids forget they're in a hospital. So, with that being said, until next time, don't have too much fun. Or at least try not to anyway.